In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of 3 fantastic deals on Coursera step by step. Hi everyone, I'm Justin from Blockchain. If you're looking to improve your skills and boost your career with some great Coursera coupon codes and Coursera Plus discounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share 3 amazing offers that can help you learn more and grow. Let's get started. Deal 1. Coursera Plus New Year discount. First up is the Coursera Plus New Year discount. This is a special offer where you can get 50% off your annual subscription. Instead of paying $399, you can get it for just $199. Isn't that awesome? What do you get? You'll have unlimited access to over 10,000 courses from big names like Google, Microsoft, and IBM. It's like having a huge library of knowledge right at your fingertips. But don't wait too long. This offer ends on January 27th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. UTC. If you want to grab this deal, click the link in the description below before it's gone. Deal 2. Try Coursera Plus with a 7-day free trial. Next, if you're not sure about committing yet, I have something perfect for you. A 7-day free trial of Coursera Plus. What's included? You'll get unlimited access to over 7,000 great courses, hands-on projects, and certificate programs, all for free for a week. How do you sign up? Just click the link in the description below. I promise, once you see what's available, you'll want to keep learning. It's a great way to try it out without any pressure. Deal 3. Unlock Google AI Essentials at no cost. And here's the final deal. When you enroll in a Google Professional Certificate program, you can unlock the Google AI Essentials course at no cost. Why should you take this course? It will help you learn important skills for a future with AI. Being knowledgeable in this area can really set you apart. How do you claim it? Just enroll in any Google Professional Certificate on Coursera and you'll get access to the AI Essentials course for free. Don't miss this chance. Click that link below to start your journey into AI today. Looking for more deals? If you're searching for more Coursera coupon codes, Coursera Plus discounts, or other special offers like discount promo codes, be sure to check the links in the description for all the latest deals. Disclaimer. Please note that these deals are available at the time of making this video. Make sure to check the links in the video description for all the latest up-to-date deals. Alternative option. If you're looking for an alternative to Coursera, I've added a link in the video description for Skillshare. Join now and save 20% off your Skillshare membership with the code provided in the description. This offer is valid through February 8th, 2025. Conclusion. So there you have it. 3 amazing deals from Coursera that can help kickstart your learning journey in 2025. Whether you're looking to break into tech or improve your business skills, these offers are a fantastic opportunity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about learning and career growth. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below letting me know which deal excites you the most. I can't wait to read your thoughts. Remember, these offers are time sensitive, so don't miss out. Click those links in the description now and take that first step toward a brighter future. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.